In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cyberghost VPN on your iPhone with this easy, quick tutorial that will take you through the entire process in about 5 minutes. Setting up a VPN is a great way to ensure your online privacy and security while using your device, and Cyberghost is a reliable choice for achieving this. To start, open your preferred web browser on your iPhone and head straight to the Cyberghost VPN website. You can do this by typing in Cyberghost VPN in your search bar. Once you're on the site, you'll notice it's designed to focus on providing fast, secure, and private internet access for its users. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what they offer before proceeding. Next, you'll want to look for the My Account section. You can typically find it in the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page. If you already have an account with Cyberghost, go ahead and enter your login details. However, if you're new to Cyberghost, you might need to create an account, which is briefly explained during the sign-up process on their site. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cyberghost homepage. From here, navigate to the Download Hub. This is the central spot where you can access different VPN software downloads. When you reach the Download Hub, focus on the section dedicated to mobile apps, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Once you're in the mobile apps section, search for the option labeled iOS. Selecting this will direct you to the detailed download page for iOS devices where you can download the VPN configuration for your iPhone. Be sure to review any instructions provided there, as they may offer additional guidance for the installation process on your particular iOS version. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Cyberghost VPN on your iPhone. As a final tip, make sure your VPN is always activated before connecting to any public Wi-Fi network, as this will protect your information from potential intrusions. Enjoy safe and private browsing on your iPhone with the peace of mind that your data is secure. Thank you for tuning in to this quick tutorial on setting up Cyberghost VPN on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to subscribe and check out our other tutorials on related topics. Until next time, stay secure and safe while browsing online.